comes to solar installation projects, the choice of your mounting system is as crucial as the solar modules themselves. Introducing Evergreen Solar's standing seam roof mounting system, a product renowned for its remarkable durability and versatile features, making it an ideal solution for various installation needs. Crafted with high-grade aluminium and stainless steel supporting materials, this mounting system is engineered to withstand the harshest weather conditions, including wind speeds of up to 230 kilometers per hour. In terms of versatility, this product seamlessly accommodates both framed and unframed solar modules. It allows consumers to adjust the tilt angle by up to 20 degrees and choose between landscape or portrait orientation, making it highly adaptable. This mounting system is compatible with slopes of up to 20 degrees, enabling installations on uneven surfaces and expanding the possibilities for users' solar projects. Designed for easy installation, its user-friendly components and step-by-step instructions ensure that even the most inexperienced installer can set up the system quickly and effortlessly. With its robust research and development capabilities and substantial production capacity, Evergreen Solar has emerged as one of the leading solar mounting system manufacturers in China.